today and Make Shape Create.
We're going to take all these supplies to make this bandsaw table. Hey guys, Cory here, Make Shape Create. We got a new bandsaw. Problem is, we don't have anywhere to put it. So we're going to solve that problem today. We're making a bandsaw table. Let's do it. Alright, so we're going to insert some video about here of me. I pre-cut some of this wood earlier, like to rough sizes. I already marked it all to the sizes I actually need, and we're going to use the new bandsaw and start cutting that wood down. So here we go. So this has a shop vac hooked up to it. And as you guys have seen in our previous videos, saws make a mess. Look at how little this is. Look at that. That's it.
Not a whole lot on the floor either.
Barely, I don't think anything on the floor.
Yeah.
Dust collection. It's great. So we got everything cut down. As you might have saw in the video, it wasn't exactly precise. This is going to be a shop table. It doesn't have to be pretty. It's functional. So, I got the basics laid out. We just got to pre-drill some holes. Start screwing some screws in. Let's go. So we got this one whole leg, and now it's two. So we got our legs, we got our legs done. Time to tie them together. I'm gonna do it like this. I think it'll add a little more strength to all these joints as well. So let's do that now. I'm worried that the space in between here is going to be too big. So I'm going to use the fence on my bandsaw and split this 2x4 to make it half the size, or about half the size. It doesn't have to be exact. So here we go. And that's the difference without the dust collection. Alright, so we're just testing to see if this will fit on here without falling through. Only that.
Good job.
Love it when a plan comes together.
It worked.
Cool. And that's how we did it. I'm really happy with this. Unfortunately, the shop vac doesn't fit on the table. We could modify that, but it's okay here. And I got this to use now. Super happy with it. So if you have any suggestions or tips for anything we could do or do better, leave them down below. Follow us on social media at Make Shape Create. If you can help support us to help us make videos like this, Patreon /Make Shape Create. And we'll see you again next week, guys. Okay? Bye.